Okay, what do you mean by factorization? Both of you will answer. If I give 5a square plus 15a cube, what do you mean by factorization, students? The meaning of factorization is you have to take out the common terms. Yes, common factors. Now there are numbers, right? Numbers given here. For numbers, we use the method called HCF, highest common factor. You have to find the LCM, students. What is common to both? 5 ones are 5, 3s are. Anything common? Anything common apart from 1 and 3? No. I mean, apart from 5, nothing is common. So take 5 outside. Next. When it comes to alphabet, check whether the alphabets are same. A and A are same. Then go with the power, student. Which one has the least power? For alphabet, check the least power. Which one has least power? No, A square or A cube? A square. Take that out. First point is clear. Second, once you take out, in the bracket, you should write the remainder. Remainder is nothing but when you divide, you get the remainder. Which two I have to divide now? Okay, look here. First, take this question. Take the question 5a square divided by this whatever common you took. Both are same. If both are same, can I cancel it out? What's the remainder? 1. Then tell me the next one. Which one should I take? Next one. It should take plus 15. Very good. Plus 15a divided by 5a square. Along with the sign, you're supposed to take 5 ones are 5, 3s are. In factors, in exponents, I taught you all. For division, what rule do we apply, students? If it is division, you have to subtract it. Very good. So 3 minus 2, what do you get? A. So what's the answer? 1 plus 3a. This is factorization. Understood? Oh, okay. For numbers, what method we use? For numbers, we use HCF. For alphabets, we use least common degree. Not term, degree. Yeah, which is a small degree, we use that. Any doubts, both of you? Okay, we'll start solving the questions. Tell me the first question. How do you solve the first one, students? What is common? 5. What about alphabet? X square is given, X is given. Which one is small? X. What is the remainder? How do you all find remainder? Divide and tell me. Yes, X. 1x you can write X minus 4. Understood, Dia? The second one is the same. Try the third question, students. Take 27 and 45. Take 27, 45. Find the factors. Start with 3. Always see what are the numbers you have to use when you're factorizing. You have to use prime numbers 2, 3, 5, and 7. So if I start with 3, 3 nines are how many times 3 goes? 15. Next, what is common? 3 threes are 5. What's the factor? 3 into 3 is 9. If you want, you do it like this, or if you're okay with the good with numbers, you can directly write 9, students. Clear? This is how you're supposed to do. You get 9. Compare x cube and x square, x4, which is smaller, which is less. Uh, X cube is less. Take x cube. Then y. Now compare this. When you divide, what do you get? Instead of doing it in the working column, try to do it directly, students. How many times 9 goes in 27? 3. Look, I've written 3. X cube and x cube will get cancelled. What about y? Very good. Next, try the next one. Divide this. Minus. Minus 5x. Is it clear? What about they are done? Okay. Next is bracket, students. How many terms are there? Look at the fourth question. How many terms are there? Terms in the sense a term is separated by plus and minus. See, we have minus. How many terms are there? 2 terms total. Okay. Now check the bracket. For bracket, don't open the bracket, students. Are the brackets same? Brackets are same. Keep it as it is. Before brackets, anything same? No, nothing is same. Then, if both are not same, take the bracket b minus c. This is common, right? This is common. What's the remainder? What's the remainder? That's it. How will you find it? In this entire question, if b plus c is cancelled, what is left? 5. 5a minus 7b. Clear? You can write it. If you want, you write, or just you can write like this. Yes, just put a bracket. And Amy, are you holding your phone or you just placed it? You feel don't you feel difficult? Can't you place it somewhere? Okay. Just try to keep it on wall. Not able to keep. Okay, fine. Or else can you keep it on the table? Just keep it flat. No problem. If it is turned on, fine. I just want your no. You can see the screen and write. Is it clear? Okay. Are you able to write it? Fine. If you're holding it, then your hand will pain. How will you concentrate? The reason I told is it I didn't know it was shaking. Then I observed. I thought you just placed it somewhere. Okay, fine, students. Continue this because sometimes you all are there in meeting. If I because of network issue, I don't know whether you all are there or what. I'm not able to hear you all answering. We are done. Tell me the next one. Fifth one. Both of you will answer the fifth one. First, check the bracket. Whenever bracket is given, check the bracket value. Is it same? Okay. Before solving that, before solving what is common? 2 is common. Take 2 outside. Take 2 outside. After that, what is common? That's it. Write the bracket. Clear? What's the remainder? X plus not y. Divide. Very good. X plus divided. Not 4y, 2y, right? X plus 2y. Any doubts? Okay, next one, students. Next question. Sixth one. Fifth is done. Sixth question. X into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. First thing, bracket is given. Second thing, check whether the values are same. No, but the position is not the same, right? So what do you do when the position is not same, students? How do you solve this? See, keep the first term as it is. Second term, can you see there are three values here? Plus y, 5 minus a. I'll teach you all, you can do it directly. Change all the sign. Plus y becomes minus y. Then you can rearrange this. You can write a minus 5. Here, look at the way. Now is it same? Take a minus 5 common. What is the remainder? Minus? Okay. You didn't go through this video, Amy. You didn't see the recording last year? Okay. When did you start watching recording classes? Last year. Okay. Complete this, students. First, go through what I have written. Look at the way I have changed the sign. 5 minus a becomes a minus 5. A minus 5, x minus 5. Should we do the next one? Okay. Try the seventh one, students. Be quick. How do you solve the seventh one? Okay, ignore the seventh one. We'll do the eighth one. How do you solve this eighth one? Even eighth one has square, right? I'll teach eighth one. You all try this. You all try the seventh one. No, I'll teach the eighth one. You all try the seventh one. Clear? If you understand one, everything is easy, students. Now tell me what is common. What's the first thing you have to do? 2 is common. Before solving this question, how do you solve this? Response, students. How do you solve this? What is common to 6 and 8? 2. What about x? X square and x, which is smaller one? X is small. What's the value? What's the remainder? No. Remainder is this. You have to divide. 6 by 2 is 3. X square by x is x. Minus. For this, what's the remainder, students? Guess what? What's the remainder? 4. This is how we have to solve. What about the next one? You take x. For x cube is given. See, whether it is x square, x cube, it doesn't matter. Which is the smallest degree? X. In the same way, even in bracket, students, it doesn't matter degree, whether it is 2 or 3. Which one has small degree? 2 or 1? 1. Before that, check the value. 6 and 8. What is common to 6 and 2 is common. Then take the bracket. 2a plus. Should I take 2a plus 3b the whole square or 2a plus 3b? Okay. What if 3 was given here? Now which one has least degree? Then I have to take square. Is this clear, Amy? Both of you understood? This is how it works. So don't get worried about cube or square, students. Use this normal concept. 2a plus 3b. Now tell me the remainder. Divide this. No. What's the degree? What's the degree? Actual degree given? 2? No. Basically, how many times this is multiplied, students? How many times 2a plus 3b is multiplied? Twice. You see, this is multiplied twice, right? If I divide it by 2a plus 3b, how many times it gets cancelled? See, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. One bracket gets cancelled. Then one more bracket is left, right? One more bracket is left. Instead of doing all this, subtract the degree, students. Look here. 2 is fine. 2a plus 3b. What is the actual degree in the question given? 2. When you divide, no, 2. When you divide, minus, what is the degree for this? What is 2 minus 1? 1, which means one bracket is still left, right? Yeah, one bracket is still left. So what's the answer? Now tell me what's the answer? After dividing, what do you get? Into, this is done. Next, for the next one, if just minus 4, right? Because these two get cancelled, right? Both get cancelled. That's it. This is the answer, students. Now, the outer bracket you don't have to multiply. Keep it as it is. But the inside one you have to open the bracket. Multiply 3 into 2a, 6a plus 3 3s are 9b minus. Go through this. Only if you understand this, you'll be able to solve the remaining questions. Let me know if you have any doubts. And don't have to worry, student. They'll definitely ask basic questions, even in factorization. Okay, so just practice whatever I teach. Completed this? Okay. Try the seventh and ninth, both of you. Try the seventh question, ninth question. Okay, what about your sports? You told some practice. When is your sports? No, no. So, okay, even there, even you're going. Okay. No, you told some matches on 27th or 28th. 27th. You'll have exam on 27th, right? Max. After that, you'll have to go if you are selected. How many students are there? 5 to. Okay, in that how many they'll select? How many students? Okay, in each school. Oh, overall 12 or 13. That 4. How many students are there in your school now at present? 7. Out of 7, they'll take only 3, 4 or 5. Hmm. Okay, so you'll have to practice. From that, they'll select, right? What tournament is this student? Is it under 19? Okay. See, one mistake. You should have practiced. Why, Dia, you can attend practice morning, right? Hmm. Yeah, you try attending Dia. Morning you complete. See, she's going at what time, Amy? 6 o'clock? Hmm. Okay. Fine. Okay, fine, Dia. Decide because nationals, if you'll get selected, what about your position, both of you? Will you get selected? Okay. Fine, students. Try. Try even that. National is important. Okay. Complete this. Complete the seventh and ninth. You want me to show the question? Seventh and ninth. Okay. Yes, they are done. Okay, let me check. And Amy, which one is your answer? This one? Okay. No, no, I'm just checking. I was discussing the answers, right? That question. What was wrong? Okay, okay, I remember. I'm seeing the answers after seeing the way your sister had written. I'm seeing your calculation, the way you have done. 64, 25. Okay, reciprocated. Only three. You have sent only three. No, this one, right? 7. Was the answer correct? When I did, you cross checked, right? Fine, Amy. Okay, fine. No, no, I checked. Dia's, I know. Dia, the way Dia, right? See your answer. Dia, were your answers correct? Okay, fine, students. Fine, we'll continue. Complete this. Done? Okay, what about Dia? Now tell me, what is common? Bracket is common, right? The degree is 1 and 2. Before bracket, what is 2 is common? 2 into x plus y. Next, what's the remainder? When you divide, what you'll get, students? When you divide, just 2. Then divide. How come 2x? No, no, no. How come 2x? How come 2x? No, Ivy. 4, Amy. 4 plus x plus y divided by 2 into x plus. Are the degrees same for both? Degrees same? Everything will get cancelled. Is there any remainder left? 2 ones are 2, 2s are just 2, right? Then take the next one. Minus 6 x plus y the whole square. Divide by what? How many times it goes? So we have minus 3. Next, bracket. How many degrees? How many times x plus y is there in the denominator, numerator? Twice. But how many x plus y is getting cancelled? So what is the remainder? 1 x plus y is left, right? Ah, why didn't you all write this? Is it clear now? Now is it clear? If 1 gets cancelled, 1 is still remaining, right? 1 is still remaining. What if it was 3 years, students? Now tell me, if it was 3, if one value gets cancelled, how much is left? 2 is left. What will be left? X plus y the whole square. 2 will be left. This is the concept. 1 is getting cancelled, 2, the remaining will be left. Now open the bracket. Don't open the first bracket. Remember this. Keep this as it is. 2, open the bracket, minus 3x, minus into pluses. This is the answer. Try the ninth one again. I think you would have done mistake. Try the ninth one. Okay, completed the year. Okay. What is common for these two? How come three common? Where is three there? Three is not given. X is common, right? X is common. Then check the bracket. Are they same? Okay. If they're not same, what did I tell you all students? If they're not same, you should change the sign, right? Yes. If at all, if the question was like this, look here, like this. Y minus X. Correct. Place 3x square y, then you can write it as x minus. Yes. Just change the sign. Everything will get changed. But here, no problem. It's the same. Take x plus y common. Which degree is small? Cube or 1? 1. So I have taken only 1 outside. Now divide it. Divide the students. When you divide, what do you get? X and x gets cancelled. How many times x plus y gets cancelled? So what is left? Very good. X plus y square is left. Divide this. Minus will remain as it is. 3 will remain as it is. How many x is getting cancelled? 1 x is left. Y is left. What about x plus y? Both will get cancelled, right? This is the remainder. Now we are not done yet. X plus y. What is the bracket? Open this. Which formula can I use here, students? How does this look like? A plus b the whole square. Use a plus b the whole square. That's the reason you have to do it in a systematic order. We did factorization on expansion. If you know expansion, you can do factorization. X square plus no x square 2xy. Where y square x square? What answer? What's the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. And here from where you're getting 1 by y. So what did you say? No, y square. Okay. Y square. What is 2 into ab, students? 2 into ab is 2xy. Minus what is left? What are the like terms here? Xy is like term. Do the calculation. X into x plus y. Don't open the bracket. Keep it as it is. X square plus y square. What is plus 2 minus 3? Minus 1xy. Write it as xy. Done? Just go through, students. Just go through this. Okay, that's it about bracket question. Ninth is done. Now from 10th onwards, how many terms are there? From 10th, 10, 11, 12. How many terms are there? 4 terms, right? So remember, 4 term is what? Odd or even? 4. Even. When there are even number of terms, students, group it. We use a method called grouping. What is this method called? Grouping. Group two terms. Now consider this as two separate questions. Look at the first part. What is common to them? Yes. Which one has least degree? A square, not A square. What is the remainder? Hmm. Next. Dia, tell me the next one. Take the first sign, students. Look at the screen. Don't write when I'm teaching. Take the first sign plus. What is common, Dia? 5 and 10. 5. In bracket, when you divide, 2. Remember previously we did this bracket question. Now we got the same type. Bracket is same. Anything common before the bracket? No. Take a plus 2. What is the remainder? Is this clear? Grouping question. Okay, I want you all to try 11th and 12th. Be quick. First go through this. First go through 11, 12, 13 students. Try 11, 12, 13. I'll give you all 5 minutes. First go through what I've done. Yes. Just a minute. And Amy, you write this. Write exercise 4A. Write the question number. Later you can. It will be helpful for revision. Okay. Try 11, 12, 13 students. 11, 12, 13. Okay. 14, 15. And Dia, who's teaching science? How are you learning science? Okay, go through the question paper, Dia. Okay, there are high chances that they'll give it from your final exam question paper. Are the chapters same or different? Same. Okay, go through your final exam paper. Do you have your midterm paper questions? Refer all those. Definitely they'll give from that. Okay, refer that and study. Three questions. I've given three. 11, 12, 13. All three done? Fine. I'll teach. Complete it, Dia. Once you complete, I'll teach. Okay, tell me the first one, not first, 11th one is one group. We group it like this. The other group is, you should group it along the side, along with the side. X is common, x plus. What's the first sign? Minus. What is common? Bracket. Yeah. See, and one more thing, student, definitely it should be same. Don't get confused, write the same value. Clear? Nothing is common. X plus y. Answer x minus 2. Next, 12th question. Got it right? 12th one. A square minus a cube b minus a square b, bracket, group it. Minus. Okay, what is common? Dia, what did you write? A square or a? Yes, because I is lowest degree, student. A square b, just a minus, not a square, a. Yeah, what is 3 minus 2 there? If you write, if you divide, you have to subtract the powers, right? 3 minus 2 is 1. 1. Next, plus is the first side. What is common? Right? Anything common? Before the bracket, anything common? No, b is common. Make sure you write b, then in bracket. Okay, remainder. Very a square plus not b, 5, right? This is the answer. Good. When there are 4 terms, this is how we do, students. Last question. 13th one. X square plus y, minus minus x. Is anything common? Anything common? Oh, see, whenever nothing is common, what you have to take, students? You have to take 1. Remember this, both of you. When nothing is common, you have to take 1. And it would remain as it is. Correct? What's the first side? Minus. Then what do you get? X divided. X divide. Minus into minus is plus. No, no, sorry. What is common, students? Minus x is common, right? Then when you do it, do you think the brackets are same? Brackets are the same, right? Okay, that's good. Now, in grouping, students, this is the second type of question. You can group. This is the second type of question. When did we start? 12:30, right? Okay, I'll give break. After this, I'll give break and we'll continue. Look here. Now, this grouping is not correct because you're not getting same value. What you do is take the like terms, students. What are the like terms here? So can I rearrange these two first? Can I write it like this along with the sign? Next, what is left? Plus y into x. This is the second type of question. So first try normal grouping. If it doesn't, if there is no common value, group it like this. What is common? X minus 1. Next, not x minus 1. 1 minus. Remember what I told you all? If the positions are not same. Very good. The positions are same or different? Different. So what? Which sign gets changed? Minus y. You can write x minus 1. What is common? X minus y. Clear? Yeah, make a note. Done? Okay, completed. How many questions are there? 4a, 1 minute. 4b, 4c is cube and 4d. Okay. Yeah, we'll try as much as possible. At least 2 exercises will complete. I'll give it for test. Done? Okay, well, till 2:15 I'll conduct. So what's the time? 1:35. Okay, take 10 minutes break. We'll continue at 1:45. What time do you have lunch? The time? Okay, till 2:20 I'll conduct students. Fine? 2:20. Okay, take 10 minutes break. We'll continue at 1:45. Yeah, next one student. 140. Okay, completed. Next question. When brackets are given, you have to open the bracket and solve it. Okay, when brackets are given, we have to open the bracket. Look at the 15th question. 4a minus 1 the whole square minus 8a plus 2. Anything common? How come 2? No. See, this is separate, this is separate, this is separate. Nothing is common, right? Can we use a plus b the whole square for the first one? First bracket a minus b the whole square? Yeah, I'll solve. What is a minus b the whole square, students? Minus 2ab. So 4 square, yeah, 4a square plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 4 into 1, 1 minus 8a plus 2. 4a square is 16a square plus 1, then 4 2 is 8a, right? Plus, so what are the like terms here? 16a square, 1 plus 3. What is 1 plus 2? Plus 3, right? Minus into minus is plus. Is it like this? 16a on 1. So 16 and 3 outside. 16 is common. Wait, a square is given. What was the question? 4a minus 1 the whole square. 16a square minus 8 plus 2. You take 4 common, a cube. Where did I do mistake? Minus 4a, minus 4 2 is 8a. Minus and minus becomes 16. 1 square is 1 plus 2. Okay, 3 is right. Nothing is common here. 16a and 16a is common. If you take 16a, a plus 3. No, not this one. Okay, do one thing, students. Keep 4a minus 1 the whole square as it is. Group the next one. 8a plus 2. Can I group the next one? Yeah, I made a mistake. Keep this as it is. And, yes. No, 15th one. Can you see I've grouped these two? Let me keep 4a minus 1 the whole square. What is the first sign? What is common? What's the remainder? 4a plus or minus? When you do when you divide both, what do you get? Minus 1. Now are the brackets same? Are the brackets same? This is how you solve, students. Brackets are same. So take 4a minus 1. Right? What's the remainder? No, no, no. Divide this. There's a degree 2. How many 4a minus 1 will get cancelled? Yes, only one 4a minus 1 will be left, right? Minus, when you divide, yes, minus 2. So 4a minus 1, and when you open the bracket, 4a minus 1 minus 2. What is 4a minus 1 minus 2? Yeah, what is minus 1 minus 2? Minus 3. This is the answer. Clear? Minus 3. So you'll get questions like this, students, where we need to group. Already 4a minus 1 will be grouped. So take 8 minus 8a plus 2 and group. Try the sixth one, 16th one. I think this is enough. They won't give all the tough ones. They'll give a simple question, students. Okay, try the last one. Try the 16th. Complete this and complete the 16th. Do the 16th one, students. Completed? 16th. Not able to solve, right? Okay, it's a different question, students. Different one. 15th, I didn't see that. 16th one is 8 minus 4a. What is common? 4 is common. 2 minus 2 minus 1a. First sign is minus. Next, how come 2a cube? Only a cube. Only a cube. Next, not plus a. When you divide, what you'll get? See, take the sign plus 4a minus a cube. Minus into plus is minus. A4 minus a3 is a. Why is it tough? It was easy, right? Where did you all go wrong? No, I didn't group anything. I've taken the first two, right? Normal first two, the next two. Is this clear now? 2 minus a is common. 2 minus a, 4 minus a cube is the answer. Okay, 4 minus a, student. Next question. Enough. We are just with the first exercise. Only one easy, very simple question they have given in the board final exam. 17th one you can try. 18th one. See, 18th one is bit tricky. I'll teach. Just open the bracket, students. Open. Anything common? Total we have two terms, right? Total there are two. Open the bracket. If I multiply a with all three, what do you get? A square minus then plus 2 BC. Right? Is it clear? Now group these two. We got four terms now. Got four terms. Group the student. Completed. What is common? A is common. You get A minus 2B. Simple students. Be quick. Minus is common. C into A minus 2. That's it. A minus 2B into A minus C. First is what? Which side? Minus. Got it? Okay. Last question. We'll move on to the next exercise. When you have bracket, look here, students. X square minus like this. Whether they write bracket in the beginning or they write bracket, I mean value after the bracket, both are same. Can you see these two questions? When you write the question, students, make sure x you put on the beginning. If not, you get confused. Rewrite this. Arrange it. Minus, write x here. When you open the bracket, what do you get? X square minus ax. Next, minus. Okay, bx. According to alphabetical, bx, ab. Right? Group it. Let me complete. If I group, I'll get x minus a. Here, minus is the first sign. B is common. X minus a. X minus a into x minus b is the answer. Clear? That's it. Enough. First main, mostly these type of questions there. Second main. Before solving the second main, you all know squares from 1 to 20? 1 square 1, 2 square is 4. What is 6 square, students? 7 square? Okay. 8 square 64. 9 square? 12 square? 144. 15 square? No, no, not 125. 225. So memorize 1 to 25, students. Fine? 1 square to 25 square. Now everything is based on this. Now the second type of question, we use a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square concept? What's the answer for? Correct. I told you to remember both, right? If I give a plus b into a minus b, what's the answer? What is a plus? Okay, if I give a square minus b square, it is a plus b into a minus. Remember this concept. Now, how many terms are there in a square and b square? How many terms are there? Two terms. Let me take the first term. What is the degree? No, degree is 2, right? Degree is 2, and what is the sign in between? Whenever you have questions like this, students, make sure there are two values. When there is square and minus, which formula we use? A square minus. So what's the answer? A plus b into minus b. Look at the first question. X square minus 49 is given. How many terms are there? Two terms. I'll keep x square as it is. So 49. Convert 49. Isn't it a perfect square? Isn't it a perfect square? I'll write it as 7 square. Doesn't it look like a square minus b square? What's the answer? X plus 7 into. Is it clear? Understood? What about 25? First, yeah, don't try this. This is a simple one, students. 25 x square minus 64 y square. Now, how can I write 25? 5 square x square, and for 64, 8 square y. Whenever the degrees are same, student, remember, whenever powers are same, you can write it together. Clear? What is mn to the power of whole square? When you open the bracket, what do you get? No, no, no. M square, n square, not plus, not plus. Is there any plus in between? M square, n square, right? So from this we have understood. Whenever the powers are same, can we take it out common? Right? Mn into whole square, right? Yeah, we take powers. In the same way, can you see powers are common for 2 and x? I mean 5 and x. Take it common, student. Doesn't it look like a square minus b square? What is a value? 5x. Plus what is b? 8y. 5x minus. Okay. Will you try the third question? And make sure the numbers are perfect square. Is 100 a perfect square? 9 a perfect square? Okay, try this. Yeah, this is easier and interesting than the first exercise. Third one, yes, third one. Fourth one I'll teach. Uh, Complete this. Try the third one. Okay. How do you solve 100, students? What can I write? 9p square? Correct. You can write it together. Don't write p square, p square, write it together. What's the answer? 10 plus 3p. Tell me for 80 and 5a square, student. Anything, is it a perfect square? 80 and 5a square? Use normal factorization first. How do you use normal factorization? HCF method. What is common? 5 is common to both, right? Take 5. Tell me the remainder. Not 14. 14 or 16. So you should definitely get perfect square inside. Perfect square number inside. Divide 80 by 5. How many times 5 goes in 80? 16 times, not 14, Amy. 16. Minus, what do you get? A square. Now keep 5 as it is. Separate. Just treat it as a separate question. 5 as it is. How can I write 16? Very good. 4 square. Can I write this as a square? Keep 5 as it is. What is a plus b into a minus b? 4 plus a. 4 plus a into 4 minus. This 5, did I move this 5 inside the bracket? No. As it is, students. 5 is common. Take it out. This is how you solve. Is it clear? Take the common value. Yeah, take the common value. Try the fifth and sixth. Two questions. Fifth and sixth. Okay. Completed the See, if nothing is common, use the first exercise concept, students. First exercise 32 x square minus 18 y square. What's the first exercise? What did we do? Take 32, 18. What is common? Start from 2 times table. It- yes, answer him. You'll definitely get It's a very simple concept. 2 into 6 or 16. 2 into 9. That's it. 2 is common. What is the remainder? 16x square. Then how do you convert 16? 4x the whole square. The question is done. What's the value? 4x plus 3y into. Try the next one. Completed. Got it, Amy. Did you understand? Yeah, try the sixth one. Along with 3, can you see when x is also common in the sixth question? X is also common. X is also common. Try it, students. I told you until you get perfect square number, keep solving using normal method, regular method. Take out comment. What is common? 3 and 48. I know 3 is not perfect. If it is not perfect, what I told you all. Take out the common first. Then you'll get the perfect square value. Take 3 and x. You'll get 16. X square minus 16x. Sorry, x square minus 16. What is common, students? 3 is common, x is common. What's the remainder? Divide this. X square is left minus. X and x gets cancelled. 100 times 3 goes in 48. Yes. 16. Respond both of you. 3 ones are 316 times, right? So 3x as it is. Just think x square and 16 is a separate question. Can I write it as x square minus 4 square? 3x as it is. What is a square minus b square? X plus 4 into. So till now we have just factorized. We have squared it once, students. Now next question you will have where you have to square it twice. Wherever you see a square minus b square, square it. Is this clear? Now look at the next question. Next question you have to square it twice. Look at, tell me the seventh one. What is given? X to the power of minus 81. Is 81 a perfect square? Why no? 9 square, right? Yeah, so become now with the value, students. Go through 1 to 25 squares. Okay. Now how do I convert x to the power of 4? What should I write inside so that I get outside 2? Very good. If I open the bracket, are we getting x4? This is how you write. Now tell me what is a square? What is a value, students? What is a and what is b? Sorry, already a and b is given. No, a plus already given. What is x plus a to x minus b? X plus 9, and is this the final answer? No. Think an answer. We can factorize once more. One more one. X square, what is the sign, students, for the first one? Plus. Do we have any formula for plus? No, right? We have only formula for minus. X square minus. What can I convert this 9 as? Yeah. Can't I use one more value? Once more, can't I factorize? Yes. Keep this as it is. What is the value, students? X plus 3 into. Yes. Go through this. Look where I factorized twice. So maximum only these type of questions they'll ask. Then factorized it twice. Okay. Another 5 minutes. We'll do another 2 or 3 questions. So these are the maximum type of questions you get, students. Seventh is done. Eighth question, 2 into x to the power of 4. What is common? Both are not perfect square, right? Both are not perfect square. X to the power of 4 minus 16, right? What is x to the power of 4? How do I write it? Whole square minus 4 square. Tell me a plus b into a minus b. Final, or can we factorize further? Yes. Which one? Which part? X square minus 4, right? What is x square minus 4? Not 2 square. How is it 2 square? That is 2 square. What's the final answer? X plus 2 into? Correct. X minus 2. What is this, students? You get x square minus 2 square, right? This is the final answer. Here, they are done. Ninth one is the same. How many terms are there in the ninth one, students? How many terms are there? 4. What did I tell? What's the rule we studied when there are 4 terms? Yes, group it. When you group, what do you get? What is common? X square, x minus. In the second one, if nothing is common, what did I tell you? Take the first sign minus, students. Take first sign minus 1. You get x minus 5. And remember, 1 square is also a perfect square. 1 square is also a perfect square. X. What is the common value? X minus 5. And in bracket, where can we apply a square minus b square? See, 1 square, what is 1 square, student? Yes, x square minus 1 square. Can I write it like this? Some students will just leave it as it is. Remember this concept. X minus 5. What is a square minus b square? X plus 1 and 2. Correct. That's it. So which question is this? Ninth one or 10th, 11th, 12th? Okay, 10th, 11th onwards we'll continue evening. It's 2:50. Complete this. Next I want you to alternate 4:30 students. Okay. Yeah, 4:30 to 5:30 all attend. After that you can study science. And tomorrow I'll conduct a test. Whatever we complete today. I'll mark questions later.